So we have 5 exercises. Again, it's 20-20. 20 seconds in one phase, 20 seconds in the other phase, 20 seconds recovery, back into the next exercise. So we have 5 stations. We do these all the way through, 20-second recovery in each one, and then we're going to move into our core phase. Alright, so let's follow along with me. I'm just going to get the timer on, and we'll get ready to roll. So we're going to go in 10 seconds. So first one, glute bridge, and then the glute bridge dips. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, up we go. So we're going to hold that position, drive through the heels, touch your backside, make sure your glutes are switched on. There we go. Perfect. At halfway, we'll dip. Good. Just hold there. Are we ready? And let's dip. Let's go. So we're coming down, back up, down, back up. Good. Good work, guys. There we go. Squeeze the glutes at the top. That's it. 10 to go. Nice. Drive through the heels. Excellent. 2, 1. And rest. Good. 20-second recovery. Next one, number 2, is glute bridge again, but this time we'll be doing the march. Just bringing one leg off the ground each time. We'll get 9 seconds, and then we're back in. Alright, we'll get 5 seconds. Are you ready? We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and lift. There we go. Hold that position. Excellent. And when we hear that halfway timer, we're then just going to do our glute march. Right foot, left foot coming off the ground. Hold them hips high. Good work. Good. There we go. Let's go. And march. Just small movements. There we go. Excellent, guys. Keep that going. 10 seconds. 10 to go. Good work. Keep the hips up. Hips up. 2, 1. And rest. Good. Next one, exercise number 3, is our fire hydrants. We're going to be here, come out to the right hand side, 20 seconds, and then 20 seconds donkey kicks. So just open up those glutes, making sure our glutes are nice and warm and activated. 2, 1, let's go. All the way to the side. There we go, that's it. Try and keep your hips in a nice straight line. Make sure your hips are facing the ground, and it's just your knee that's coming out. 2, 1, donkey kicks, let's go. Drive through that heel. Squeeze, squeeze, good work. Good. 10 seconds. There we go. That's it, come on. Good. Let's 1, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Now we're going to move on to the left hand side, exercise number 4. You have 5 exercises. We'll take a wee minute recovery as I demonstrate the core exercises we're going to do after the glute training. Alright, we've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So remember, hips facing the floor, and the knee is just coming out to the side. There we go. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze. Squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Donkey kicks. Let's go. Again, lead with the heel. Good work, guys. I'm loving that energy. Keep that going. Lead with the heel. Drive that heel up to the sky. Knee bent. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze it with pinch. There we go. 2, 1, and rest. Exercise number 5, diamond glute bridge. Feet together, knees pointing out. We're just going to lift our hips off the ground, into the air. And then halfway, we'll do diamond bridge glute dips. We're going to go in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's just hold that position. Drive your heels together to push your hips off the ground. Make sure, touch your backside, make sure it's switched on, make sure it's fired up. In 20 seconds, we're going to do our dips. Hold that position, there we go, let's go. And in. 1, good, 2, seconds. There we go.
20 seconds.
Keep that going. Keep that going. Squeeze. Squeeze. 2,